Here at Webgility, we strongly believe that every business owner should be in tune with their store data and understand what it means for their revenue and ultimately the success of their business. Webgility offers analytics to help provide this data, but what does it all mean? You can have all the information at your fingertips and still not necessarily know what to do with it or how to use it. You'll be happy to know that you don't need a college degree or any formal education in data science to take some of the insights that are available to you and turn them into impactful business decisions and increase reach and revenue. So let's review some of what e-commerce analytics can show you and how you can use the data to make real-world impactful decisions. Your best-selling products might not be your most profitable. Most analytics software or reporting gives you access to the data that ranks your best-selling and your worst-selling products. Looking at that data, you might think you should double down on your best-selling product, right? Well, not necessarily. When you factor in your cost of goods sold, it could end up revealing that your best-selling product costs a ton in storage, acquisition, and transportation, while your worst-selling product costs nearly nothing to store, acquire, or even transport. Essentially, you might be making more money on the thing you sell the least of. This is a bit of an extreme example, as you probably won't have a vast difference between the cost of goods sold of your products. But it's a good reminder that just because you sell more of something doesn't mean that you're making more money off of it. Inventory management and demand forecasting are some of the more obvious takeaways when it comes to analytics data. You can use the data to analyze trends, popularity, and seasonal patterns in your stores. But the benefits don't stop there. User behavior can indicate a customer need. Use analytics to improve your conversion rates and recognize opportunities for optimization across your website and mobile applications. Looking at user behavior like a drop in your conversion rates at checkout can help you determine when you're losing customers in the sales funnel. Using this example, you might know that you should be optimizing the checkout process with things like buy now buttons, suggestions for other products, and using trust signals like an SSL or payment processor badge. This enhances the user experience and builds trust. Using data in this way can help you increase revenue substantially without necessarily having to impact your budget. High-value customers can show you what, when, and where to advertise. Another way you can use data to your advantage is in the form of AOV, or average order value, or CLV, or customer lifetime value. Tracking average order values allows you to see what customers frequently order together and identify those high-value customers. By looking at customer retention rates and their purchase frequency, you can hone in on those high-value customers and learn what appeals to them. Use this information to create targeted campaigns, personalized offers for repeat customers, and even loyalty programs, further increasing the amount that your loyal customers spend with you. If you see a certain group of customers interacting with a selection of your products frequently, you can even double down on that product and introduce similar offerings or variants, and market directly to those customers knowing that they'd be interested. Even at a more surface level, you can identify certain demographics and product preferences among your customers, allowing you to refine even your more broadly focused marketing efforts. Find your niche over time by seeing what type of customer you attract and tailor your website or brand aesthetic to that demographic. Use things like feedback tools to gather critique and recommendations from repeat customers to improve the shopping experience. It should be obvious that attracting customers that fit your brand marketing strategy and continuing to enhance their experience with offers and other products tailored to their preferences will help improve conversion rates, satisfaction, and in turn, increase your sales and revenue. And this is just the beginning of a journey in analytics and data. Want to know more about analytics? Drop us a comment with what you want to see more of, and don't forget to follow the channel for more on all things e-commerce.